Laura Podesta, CBS News.
Now more of Gail King's interview with our...
Is it the test of the emergency alert system?
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for all counties in Kentucky. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. This is a test message. This is a test message. Repeat, this is a test tornado warning message. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning message is part of the annual Kentucky tornado drill. If this were an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, Kentucky Weather Preparedness Committee, encourages the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning message for the 2019 Kentucky tornado drill. This concludes the test. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Game of the season.
Now up next for the Wildcats.